All the years of struggle in school have finally come to an end. For all the graduates, let us look back momentarily to the past years. 6 years in elementary, 4 in high school, and 2 years in college. Try to recall the joys and trials that brought us to this day. I still remember some, especially those challenging parts on my journey. This moment to be here speaking in front of you is really an opportunity for me to share a little about my story, and I hope you may learn something from it. I am 7 years old at the time when my father died. We are 4 siblings and I am the youngest. My brother stopped his studies to work just to help my mother in supporting our daily needs. Naalala ko pa nga noon, ang baon ko lamang 5 piso ng elementary, tapos 10 hanggang 20 pesos lang ng high school. Pilit kong pinagkakasya yung konting halaga sa maghapong pakikibaka araw-araw. Tapos madalas pagka-uwian, hindi ko malilimutan ang 3 palaisdaan, 2 tulay, 3 subdivision, at 9 o 10 mga barangay ang nilalakad at binabaybay ko makauwi lang ng bahay. Kung minsan na may pagka-uwi ng bahay, sa mesa ay walang naghihintay na pagkain, panlaman lang sa kumukulong tiyan. Oo, minsan natanong ko kung bakit sa dinami-rami ng tao sa mundo, kami pa yung naghihirap ng ganito. But despite all these trials, that for me have never been a hindrance to my path, I graduated in elementary and high school with flying colors. After I graduated, my brother decided to continue his studies in college, so I am not certain if I can also do. Until one day, Cavite Dynamic Achievers, also known as CADA, to which I am proudly part of, recommended me to study in cars. So I took the exam and luckily I passed. But still everything wasn't that easy. Since we lack so much in financial matter, I was able to sell my hair just to have money to pay for the medical exam. Then after I finished all the tests, really life is testing me. The doctor said that there's complication on my X-ray result. I had to go back again and again to the clinic for more tests, which cost a lot. I am very hopeless that time, and life for me is really unfair. I prayed a lot to Saint Josemaria Escriva, and in God's infinite mercy, I got cleared in my medicals and was able to attend the last batch of orientation for in-house student, which was my last hope to pursue my studies. But unfortunately, I didn't pass. I don't know how can I survive to be an extern student. I don't know where I can get money for my everyday expenses. But instead of giving up, I tried. After a month of being an extern, which really caused a heavy burden, an unexpected day came. Miss Leonard spoke with me and said that I was going to be an in-house student because of a slot had been vacant. Yes, thanks be to God. The darkness that covers my success lightened up. That's why I am here. To all of you, my fellow graduates, be strong, persevere, and never quit. Remember that all the challenges we encountered and we will encounter will make us better individuals. In the past 2 years, I can say that we had a fruitful, enjoyable, and memorable stay in our alma mater. I can't help to smile whenever I come to remember the memories we had together. Sino ba naman kasing makakalimot sa mga pabebeng banat ni Alguno? Sa pasaway at cute na si Dixie. Sa tahimik na si Amosco at maingay na si Ate Ami. Eto pa, sino bang makakalimot at hindi magiging masaya kakatawa sa larawan ni Revy ng birthday celeb? At kung natatandaan niyo pa yung windshield ni Cham ng housekeeping. At yung trouble ni Rizalen. At yung walang humpay at katapusan at 1251 ni Jazz at Roslyn. At yung walang humpay at kagimbal-gimbal na mga tula ni Florence. Sa palagay ko, habang buhay nating babaunin ang mga ito. At para naman sa mga kapwa kong in-house student, maraming salamat sa mga pintuang laging bukas sa pagkakataong gipit ako sa shampoo, sabon, toothpaste at kung ano pa. Bukod pa roon, nagpapasalamat ako sa 2 taon na nakasama ko kayo kung saan sabay-sabay tayong nangarap at araw-araw nating pinanghawakan yung pangakong sabay-sabay rin nating makakamit ang araw na ito. Sa lahat ng kapwa kong magsisipagtapos, sa mga sandaling ito, kapit kamay nating sariwain ang mga kulitan at asaran. Tuwing klase, yung food trip sa veranda pagtapos ng lab, yung mga kadramahan, yung banding, yung jamming, lahat. Basta yung tayo na masaya at nagkakaisa. I know we will surely miss all of this, but for now, let us savor this day, the fruit of our hardships. Let us allow ourselves to proceed to the next chapter of our lives without fear and hesitation. We are now crossing the threshold that offers new tasks and opportunities. This day is not the end of learning, but the beginning of a more complex struggle for more successes. But when the time comes that we reach the zenith of our dreams, never forget our humble beginnings. Let us always have that sense of gratitude, first and foremost to Almighty God. Let us always lift our hearts to His glorious name and thank Him for everything, and offer Him all our work done with love. Secondly, to our patrons and sponsors for all their kindness and generosity, and to our alma mater for the undying support and ceaseless encouragement to us. We hope that you continuously mold, develop, and nurture women like us. To our beloved teachers, instructors, and mentors, we thank you for teaching us with unquestionable passion and dedication that made us through these wonderful learning experiences and equip us with knowledge, skills, and attitude that made us ready to face the future. The Maligaya Training Center for the spiritual formation given to us, which serve as our most vital tool in conquering whatever obstacle may come in our way as children of God. Lastly, to our dear parents, most especially to my beloved mother, who also stands as a father to me. We thank you for showering us with love and taking all the sacrifices in order for us to attain our dreams. We will always keep in mind that whatever milestones we will reach and whatever rewards we will reap, we owe it all to you. Fellow graduates, God willed us all to reach this far. From this day, let us now look forward with faith and hope, compassion and convictions, determination and perseverance, and travel always through the path we map out for ourselves while in school. As we continue our journey to reach the true purpose for which we were created, pause along the way and light the candles of others as we keep our candlelight burning. Thank you and congratulations.